What's up, guys? This is Coach Shaq. Today I'm going to give you a review of Equip's Prime Protein, which is made from grass-fed beef isolate. I've been taking Equip for the last 6 months. Tell you, man, I really do love it. It's great quality. The one thing I love about it is their transparency and ingredients. Like, for example, this peanut butter flavor, 4 ounces of grass-fed beef, peanuts, sea salt, and stevia extract. There's only a few ingredients in each one of these flavors. I'm always looking for the most highest quality supplement out there. And right now, to me, this is one of the highest quality protein supplements you can find on the market today. That's what I go to when I need a supplement. I'm always gonna opt for real food first, but I do gotta supplement my diet with extra protein through shakes and different desserts because, to be honest, it really is hard to get 6 to 8 meals every day. So I gotta supplement with like some shakes throughout the week. And no matter what kind of diet you're following, whether it's keto, paleo, or just like a balanced diet, this will fit your needs. So give you like a macronutrient breakdown. So for calories, one scoop is 100 calories, and you get 20 grams of protein per scoop. And then it's also fortified with some vitamins. You got vitamin B12, and you have a little bit of sodium and chloride as well. The taste is amazing. You would think when you hear grass-fed beef protein, you're like, wow, how is that going to taste? But to be honest, you don't taste anything like beef. So you have peanut butter, vanilla, you got the coffee flavored, strawberry. It tastes like the flavor that's mentioned on the bag. And I know also if my palate's going to be different than a lot of people and even just my kids. So if I know my kids are drinking the smoothies that I'm making with this, and they like it, then I know I can say for most people they're probably going to like the flavor of each one of these ingredients. Now, mixability. If you're one that likes to take your shake on the go, maybe throw some powder in a shaker bottle and go, and maybe eventually add water when you're traveling or whatever, I can tell you this doesn't mix great though. And the reason why is because I said there's only a few ingredients, so there's no anti-clumping chemicals in these bags. So you will get some clumping, which is natural, but so that's why I recommend that you do make your smoothies from home with a blender. Or if there is clumps, it doesn't taste bad, but just I don't know, some people are just into texture. You might not like the clumping, if you travel with it and you just add in water to your protein. So the grass-fed beef protein offers you a high-quality protein source with all the essential amino acids. And the one thing I've noticed, and some of my clients, is that they're actually able to digest this better than whey protein. I know a lot of people have adverse reactions to the whey protein, so if that sounds like you might want to give a beef protein a try. And then, it's also just always good to add different sources of protein. Maybe you're doing a plant-based protein, so you can have your plant-based maybe through the week and then mixing in your beef protein as well. It's good to vary your sources of protein. Now, being such a high quality supplement, you are going to pay a premium price at $63.99 per bag. That's going to be more than your typical protein that's out there. So save money. If you subscribe and save, it brings it down to $54.39 per bag. If you're a first-time purchaser, you can use my code SHAQFIT15 for 15% off at equipfoods.com. I'll leave that information in the caption. Hope this review helps.